Going from this to this with just one base and getting ready within 10 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can cut down your base makeup to just one product and quickly get ready every day. So I'll be showing you this everyday look as well. So if you're ready, let's begin. But before I apply my base makeup, I want to rewind a little bit and I want to show you what I do after my morning skincare routine. I always end my morning routine with a moisturizer, a lip balm, and an eye cream. The moisturizer that I use every day is Aveeno. It's a drugstore moisturizer. It's not expensive and it also has inbuilt SPF. So you don't need a separate sunscreen if you're going to be using this. And to keep my lips hydrated, I'm using the Milani lip balm. I usually use a lip balm or a chapstick or simply just Vaseline. And for eye cream, I use the Tatcha Silk Peony. This will help to moisturize around the eyes. So no matter what you apply over this, will not cake up, especially under the eyes. And now for the base makeup, some of you would have already guessed, I'm just using a concealer. And yes, the one that I'll be using is my favorite Milani concealer in the shade 145, which is a true match to my skin tone. When you use a concealer as your base makeup, make sure it's a true match to your skin tone. Nothing lighter, nothing deeper, just a perfect match to your skin tone. When you use a true match, it's not going to look odd on your face and it's not going to turn ashy. I use it only in areas where I have discoloration. So definitely around my eyes because I have dark circles, around my mouth because I have uneven skin tone, and also to spot correct in areas where I have acne scars or spots. And then I use either a flat shader brush or my finger to quickly blend it out. And then I take a large powder brush, and when the concealer is just about to completely dry, I dab my entire face so there's no harsh edges left. As you can see, that has seamlessly blended and it has covered most of my uneven skin tone. Of course, you can still see a little bit of my freckles and dark spots, and that's okay because this is an everyday look. I'm not planning to cake up or go full coverage because I'm not going to any special event. I'm not going to be setting my face with powder. I don't like that powdery look for every day, but I do crease under my eyes. So instead of powder, I'm going to be using a setting spray. I just take a little bit with my finger and I dab it under my eyes till it dries up and sets. This trend was actually started by a lady called Kendra on TikTok and I've become a big fan of it. I also did a video on that. I'm going to link it down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. That way your concealer will not crease, and because you're not using any powder, it's not going to cake up or look powdery. That's pretty much it. That's how I cut down my base makeup every day to just one product. The concealer runs the show. And while we are at it, I just want to finish up this look and I want to show you how I get ready every day. For brows, I usually use an eyebrow gel, and that's pretty much it. If there are any visible sparse areas, then I will use an eyebrow pencil. Today for brow gel, I'm using Laura Mercier, and for brow pencil, I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 6. And then I finish up with some mascara and lipstick. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. I just curl my lashes and apply a coat only on my upper lashes. And for everyday, I stick with nude lipsticks. And today I'm going to be using Ella from Lady Burgundy. And here's the finished look, and this is the exact look that I wear every day, especially on those Zoom meetings. These are so helpful. I hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comment section below, and do check out the description box for all the products that I used today, along with my social media links. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you're new here. I post plenty of videos throughout the week. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.